In this video I'll be discussing the common errors in Flexera. On the screen you will see the plan. Under Final Post Reports you will see Updatestats here. The status for that one is showing Abend. We need to check the job log for this Updatestats to see the error or the reason why it's showing Abend here. We need to do a conman. Under conman type sj, @ job number, std. Hit enter. Under this job log, you will need to look for the error message, which is this one. The error message says AWKFLX002E one or more job run numbers are missing in the job count. The last processed run number is 62. Now that we have determined the error message from the job, we need to copy the error code, access our knowledge base from ServiceNow, and paste the error code there. Hit enter, click on the first result. Compare the error message from the KB article from the error message from the job log. As we can see, they are the same. If we follow this KB article it will resolve the issue. It says that the issue is Updatestats showing Abend and the error code. The cause of this issue is that this happens when a run number has not been recorded as processed. If left unattended, the blocking methods will be implemented starting at 14 days after the first failure to record the license data upload. Here are the resolution steps that we need to follow. We have 5 steps. Step 1, run a DB query for us to check the license run number from the database. We have 2 here, DB2 and Oracle. If you're using DB2, you will need to run this parameter or query. If you're using Oracle, you will need to run this query as well. Step 2, we need to run planman show info for us to be able to see the run number. All plan numbers between the last processed run number from the error message and the current run number need to be processed to resolve the problem. To determine what files need to be processed, we need to run conman listsim. For example, we run the conman listsim and here is the listsim output. It says that the plan number between the last processed run number from the error message is 13. The current run number is 17. In between those run numbers are these plans. Run numbers from 14, 15, and 16 need to run logman specifying the archive file name as an argument. Now we need to look for the directory for this catalog. For Linux the directory is in data_dir//schedlog. For Windows it's under TWS//schedlog. Once we're in this folder, we need to run logman schedlog for the archive file names 14 through 16. After that we can rerun Updatestats which will process run number 17. In my test box we will try to follow the steps in order to resolve this error message. The last processed run number in my instance is 62. We will proceed with step 1. We will need to do a DB2 query because I'm using a DB2 database. Copy this parameter and under DB, type DB2, then hit enter. The license run number from the database is 62. Step 2, we need to run this parameter. Now we have seen the number from the planman show info is 66. We have already determined the error run number from the database is 62 and the number from planman show info is 66. We need to run conman listsim. The last process run number from the database is 62. In between the current run number, 65 is 63 and 64. In order to resolve the issue we need to run the logman command on these plans. We need to go to this directory. Then schedlog. Now we will run the archive file names for 63 and 64. Type logman / the archive file name, then hit enter. Now with run number 64, use the same parameter or command. Type or copy and paste the archive file name. Now we will need to check the database to see if the run number has already changed. We'll run this parameter or query again. And let's see. 62 is now on 64. The last step that we need to do is rerun updatestats, which will process the run number, 65, from the conman list sim. Let's do ASJ. We see that updatestats is getting an abend. Under conman, type RR for rerun. Then at pound job number, semicolon, no ask, then hit enter. Let's check. As you can see, we have rerun these updatestats and now it is showing success. The error code AWKFLX002E has been fixed. If the issue still remains, the customer should follow the KB article to collect a data gather, create a ticket, and attach the data together, so that we can check and find the root cause so that we can provide another solution. Now we can see that planman show info should be 66 and conman list sim should be 65. The database should be 65 as well. Thank you for your time.